Okay, we're going to continue converting from decimals to fractions. In this video, we're going to take a step further, and we're going to think about a number like this. What if we had 0.31 repeating? Okay, so this is different than our previous video because in the previous video, we were dealing with single-digit repeating decimals, and now we're dealing with two-digit repeating decimals. Okay, so this really means 0.31, 31, 31, 31, forever and ever and ever. So how do we convert this into a fraction? Well, the steps are going to be exactly the same with just one slight different consideration. So we know the first thing that we need to do is we need to set our decimal, our repeating decimal, to a variable. So that's what we're going to do. And once again, we're going to say x is equal to 0.313131, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and we're going to do the same process again. So the thing with this one though is we have, like we said, so let me write it again over here. We have two digits that are repeating. Okay, so we need to think about what power of 10 can we multiply by to where this decimal point is going to move two places, okay? So we want it to move twice. Well, we know that when we multiply by 10, the decimal moves one place to the right, and when we multiply by 100, the decimal moves two places to the right. So we're going to multiply this not by 10, but by 100. Okay, so let's say 100x. Well, what would 100x be equal to? Well, let's see. There's 1, there's 2. So there's our new decimal point. Okay, so 100x would be equal to 31.313131 dot forever. Okay, so we can do this now. We can figure this out by setting up our problem. Okay, so let's see. Right here we have 100x is equal to 31.3131 dot forever, and x is equal to 0.3131 dot forever and ever. Let's erase this now. Okay, and then we know, how do we get rid of these? Well, we have to subtract. Okay, so let's do it. 100 minus x, well, that's going to be 99x. I'll write it over here too. 99x. 31.3131 minus 0.3131, well, these will just turn into zeros or cross out, and we'll be left with 31. So 99x equals 31. Okay, now we just divide by 99. Divide by 99, which gives us an answer of x is equal to 31/99. This cannot be reduced any further. So what is 0.31 as a fraction? Well, it is 31/99. 0.31 repeating, excuse me. It is 31/99. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do one more. Say we had, let's say we had the decimal point. Let's do point, I don't know, let's do 0.67. Okay, so this is the same thing as repeating, excuse me, this is the same thing as 0.67, 67, 67, 67, etc., 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 forever and ever and ever. So the first thing we want to do is we have to set this to a variable. So we're going to set it to x. So x is going to equal 0.676767 dot dot dot. Okay. Once again, we're going to want to move this because it's 2 digits, 2 decimal points, 2 decimal places, I mean. We're going to want to move this decimal point over 2 places. So we're going to multiply by 100 again. Well, let me get a different color. We're going to multiply by 100. So that means this is going to go here and then here. So there's our new number. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, our new number for 100x is going to be 67.676767, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so now we just realign these to make our subtraction a bit easier. Okay, so let's say 100x is equal to 67.6767 repeating. We know our original x is equal to 0.6767 repeating. And then all we have to do now, after we erase, all we have to do is subtract, which gives us 99x is equal to, these are going to cross out, is equal to 67. Divide by 99, x is equal to 67 over 99. I do not know right off the top of my head if this is in simplest form. You may be able to figure that out and post it in the comments and let me know. But regardless, that is how you turn a 2-digit decimal into a fraction. As always, happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.